I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Word or Excel now and sign in as an administrator so changes stick. Once done, go to File, choose Account, and look under Product Information for update options. Make sure you note the current build number for reference. This immediate check lets you see whether automatic updates are enabled versus disabled. If updates are already off, you still verify Office activation and admin rights before proceeding. Now you disable automatic updates and handle the more complex middle steps. From Account, click Update Options, then choose Disable Updates. You'll see immediate confirmation. If Disable Updates is unavailable, use Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Administrative Templates Microsoft Office 2016 Updates and set Enable Automatic Updates to Disabled. Alternatively, deploy Office C2R Client Config XML to define update behavior. Once set, restart all Office apps and recheck the build number to ensure updates are blocked and settings applied correctly. Finish by locking in changes and adding a key troubleshooting tip. Edit the host's file or add firewall rules to block update servers if you need extra assurance. Do this carefully as it affects network rules. Once configured, schedule a monthly manual check. File, Account, Update Options, Update Now to receive critical security fixes selectively. If Office misbehaves, re-enable updates temporarily to let it repair or update corrupted components. Then disable updates again once the issue is resolved. This quick toggle often fixes stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.